Hi, everybody. Hello, Schema. First of all, just a huge thank you for spending the day with us. This has been incredible to be with all of you and to hear some of your stories and feedback, and we're just very, very grateful. I also, first and foremost, want to give a giant shout out and thank you to all of our community speakers. Can we give them a round of applause? Whether it's designing for infinite intents and experiences, the pragmatics of MCP, the thoughtfulness, the craft that goes into designing multi-brand architectures, it's just been incredible to learn from everyone, and thank you again for sharing your wisdom with us. I also want to give a shout out to the team that brought you Schema this year, and not just this event, which has been awesome, but also all the product launches. We've been sprinting hard. We'll continue to sprint, but let's give a round of applause for the Figma team, too. Thank you to all the Figmates for your hard work. I think I speak for everyone here when I say that this is just the most incredible and exciting time to build. I'm feeling it today more than ever, and it's also just so exciting about how we're not just building more, but now more people than ever are building. And that's thanks in large part to all the work y'all are doing on design systems. The infrastructure you've built, the craft you've enabled, this is what makes it possible. Design systems have always been this language between design and production. And they're a way to scale, but also a way to connect design to code and bring more voices into the product design and development process. And as designers and builders, you don't just have a front row seat to the future, you're shaping the future. Because what stands between greatness and mediocrity is design, it's craft, and it's a really bold point of view. There's so much to do, there's so much to build. I think about it and I see more expressive UI just around the corner, new interaction paradigms that all of us will be exploring, and I think the future of software and how we'll be creating it in the world and using design systems to bring it everywhere, I think it's very, very bright, and I couldn't be more excited about what's ahead. So when you leave today, remember the systems that you're building, they're not just setting the next generation up of design standards. They will literally define the next generation of software. Because design systems are the North Star for everyone that's building products. And all of you are their guides. With that, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all after this. Enjoy.